Looking for a hydrographic dipping tank? It is our firm belief that a good foundation lays the groundwork for a great machine. This is why all of our stainless tanks are made here in the United States of America and come with a lifetime warranty. The design and functionality of our tank is based on 8 years of hydrographic dipping. Each tank is fitted with multiple heavy-duty ball-bearing casters to assist in the mobility of the tank and to support the weight of the water. Along with the casters, we provide easy-to-adjust leveling feet so you can properly level the tank to get the very best performance and consistent results. Every tank is constructed using a heavy-duty tubular frame and lateral bracing to hold the weight of the water as well as the tank itself. Each and every joint is mitered and fully TIG welded for outstanding structural support. In the floor of each tank you will notice the breaks to divert the water. This is designed to help with the draining process when cleanup is needed. To assist with cleanup and maintenance, we have incorporated separate drains so that each side of the tank can be individually drained. Standard PVC fittings can be extended to a drain nearby or hooked into a hose. Each drain has ball valves that control the flow of the water and give the decorator years of uninterrupted use. All of our tanks have structural breaks going along all 4 sides to give the very best in structural integrity along with a very sleek and modern design. Each break is strategically placed to prevent any kind of bowing or movement while the tank is filled with water or running while dipping. The broken edges on top of our tanks give our decorators an advantage in aiding with placing the film in the water, part holding, and even dipping. On the back side of the tank is a fully enclosed compartment that houses the pump and heating elements. Enclosing the pump and heating elements within the tank assists in noise control and creates a more functional design. Easy lift-off panels make servicing the pump and heating elements simple and efficient. Each tank is equipped with multiple 4 or 6 kilowatt heating elements depending on the size that is custom crafted to be the best and most efficient heater in the industry. Our heating elements give our customers almost a lifetime of service with little to no maintenance required on the element. Our magnetic drive pumps have the capability of running dry while not damaging the impeller or pump itself. The pumps operate on a 220 volt system to give you the best efficiency and energy savings. The small design and large GPM output of these pumps give our tanks a competitive advantage when compared to other tanks on the market. With our custom-made spray bars, every tank has the best disbursement of water as well as providing excellent rinsing capabilities. Each spray bar design has 2 valves. The side valve on the spray bar is used to adjust the flow of the water while the pump is running. The main valve on the spray bar can be used to turn off the water if it is necessary to drain one side of the tank or to service the pump. As water is pushed out of the spray bar, the excess film is pushed over the custom-built reservoir divider. The reservoir divider is broken at an angle to help push the flow of the water to the top of the tank and over into the filter tray area. Every filter tray has a custom water jet cut grid to allow for better water pass-through. This is also where your filter media will sit. Each filter tray has welded handles which makes for easy removal and cleanup when necessary. Proper film containment is crucial in getting the very best dip with the least amount of stretch. Liquid Concepts has solved this issue with a custom-made film divider that offers very easy adjustment. Each divider is constructed from high-quality 304 stainless steel and has an easy-to-hold handle that makes moving the dividers a breeze. To control each tank, Liquid Concepts has a custom-built control panel made for every tank. Each control panel has 2 digital PID controllers to control the heating elements on each side of the tank with separate water temperatures. The PID controllers used by Liquid Concepts incorporate state-of-the-art technology to automatically control the heating element so the decorator can leave the panel on 24/7 and the controller will keep the temperature within a certain set point. This keeps your dipping area at the right temperature and allows for faster startups when you refill your tank with colder water. Each control panel also has a digital timer to make sure you always have the correct soak time while your film is on the water. When the timer goes off, the decorator can visually see a flashing light as well as hear an audible. Each Liquid Concepts tank comes standard with an on and off switch for the control panel itself. It also comes standard with the timer switch to start the timer and the countdown. Each control panel comes with its very own heating element switch for each of the heating elements that's in the tank, so you can control them independently if needed. It also comes with the standard pump switch to turn the pump on and off to recirculate the water. If in case of an emergency, we provide an emergency shutoff switch to shut the power off to the unit in case anything happens. The tank comes standard, wired for 220 volt, but can be changed depending on the user's location and voltage needed. Because every tank is custom built to order, we can fully customize your tank from custom dipping dimensions, custom size requirements, and even your own logo welded on the front of the tank. We have the best hydrographic tank on the market, which is why we offer the very best warranty on the market. You can't go wrong with a full lifetime warranty on structural as well as a 5-year warranty on all electrical components. As you can see, we have gone to great lengths to give you the very best tank on the market, and our warranty proves that we stand behind our tanks. Give us a call and see why you should be choosing Liquid Concepts for your tank purchase.